to do an unboxing of this portable sound machine. It's a 2-in-1. It's got a night light too. 10 sounds, 7 color lights, portable lanyard. It's rechargeable. There's a little instruction manual. This is a little hanger you can, if you want to hang it on something. It comes with a USB cable. So you can hang it here. Put it through there, and then, you know, it's not set when you got it. Once you put it in there, it's going to be set. So it's just barely sticking in there for now. It's really cute. Let's see. I don't know if this thing's going to be charged up yet or not. Yeah, it is. Okay. Let me turn the volume all the way up. I guess that's about it. I don't hear any change. It's pretty loud. Let's see. Short press the start button to pause playback. To pause playback. And then long press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on or off. And then the product cycles through the sounds. These are the volume up and down keys. Short press the volume up and down key to adjust the volume level. Total of 9 volume levels. Where is the music button? There's where you plug it up. I think I may have a cord down here. I have to plug that one up. Comes with the same USB cord as this one. Let's see. That's cute. Switch the previous or next music track with 10 built-in white noises to choose from. Okay. This is the light key. I'll turn off one of these. Short press the light key to switch the ambient night light mode. Total of 7 colors to choose. The 8th cycle changes to 7 colors of light. Touch again to turn off the light. Let's see. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's where it changes. Okay, timer button. It has a timer button. Short press the timer button here once. Short press the timer button once to select the playback duration. 3 timings to choose from. Press the 4th time to exit the timer mode. So I guess when you press it, 1, 2, 3, and then press it again to go out of it. And then there's the battery information. Okay, let's do the sounds. The way it looks, there's music sound. I don't know. And you can press this button to go back to whatever you were listening to before. I guess that's about as high as it goes. The heartbeat. I wish the heartbeat was a little louder. Sounds like rain. Sounds like running water, maybe over a brook or a creek. I think we're back to where we were. sound. Down. Oh yeah, it was 8 buttons, wasn't it? 8. So that's as low as it is. Let me turn my fan off. So it's pretty good for the lowest sound. That's the heartbeat. You can't hardly hear it. 2, 3. That's as loud as that gets. Yeah, 8. Overall, it's pretty nice. I like it. That was the heartbeat again. So do that to pause it, and that little light will stay on there when you have it paused. And do a, what it said, 2-second long pause to turn off or turn on for this. And I'm assuming, I guess while it's plugged up, this is going to stay red right here. Does it say anything about that? No, it doesn't say anything about that, but it's not lit up now, so that must be the only time it lights up exactly like that in this little corner here. So yeah. Yeah, I like it. And that's it. So yeah, I like it.